What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, there is a 33-year-old man, as you can see here, that was written by the SA Police Service, who was a foreign national and was arrested after he was found with these military explosives. It's completely unbelievable, like where he found these military explosives. But at the moment, there is no indication as to where this guy found these explosives from. So this has raised so many concerns with people, who are worried. Like it's like we're always like on the back foot, and nobody knows where these guys are getting these explosives from, and these are guys that have been caught. So you can imagine how many have not been caught, which is bringing a challenge, whereby people are saying, like, what is going on with the GNU? They are like focusing on international events, while at least domestically there are so many of these issues around. These are all obviously unanswered questions. But for this guy, this 33-year-old man, he is going to be appearing before the Jamestown Magistrate Court for being found, with those explosives because he didn't have, like, what is it called, a license, or is it a right to be in possession of that. So one of the things that people are watching at the moment is that, is he going to get bail at the Jamestown Magistrate Court? Because these are things, that people are now like mainly focused on, especially after that press conference by General Mkwanazi, which exposed that some of these crimes, are committed by criminals who are actually out on bail. So it's something to keep an eye on. But if I'm to make a quick guess, I doubt he's going to get paid, because these are not like some ordinary weapons. This is something massive. But anyway, you never know. I'll be here to give you the updates, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.